Hello traders, welcome to this video on the trend flex indicator for MT4 and MT5. This tool plots two oscillators in a sub window, one thick line and another dotted line to help you read trend direction and momentum in a simple visual way using fast and slow trend flex period. I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. As you can see, the trend flex indicator sits in its own sub window on the price chart and shows two lines, a thicker main blue oscillator line, which is the fast trend flex, and a thinner dotted oscillator line, which is our slow trend flex. When both lines are rising, it visually implies bullish momentum building, as we can see here. And when both are falling together, it implies bearish momentum, as we can see here. Crosses of separation between the thick and dotted lines can highlight moments when the fast side of the trend is shifting relative to the slower background trend, giving you a cleaner picture of when a move is threatening, weakening, or potentially turning. Now let's move over to its settings. The main settings are the fast trend flex period for our blue line and slow trend flex period for our dotted orange line. The fast period controls how quickly the thick line responds to new price movements, making it more sensitive to short-term fluctuations. Meanwhile, the slow trend flex period controls the dotted line, smoothing it more heavily so it reflects the broader underlying trend. By adjusting these two periods, you can tune how reactive or steady each oscillator is, depending on whether you focus on scalping, day trading, or swing trading. You can also adjust the width, the thickness, and the style of the line along with the color for visual cues. Now, who is it for? The trend flex indicator is suited to traders who prefer a two-speed view of trend, one fast and one slow, so they can see when short-term moves align or diverge from the broader direction. It is still based on historical price data, so it can lag, whipsaw, or give false signals in choppy markets, especially if the fast period is set very low. For more reliable use, treat it as a confirmation and timing tool alongside structure, support, and resistance, and clear risk management rather than as a standalone entry generator. And find the download link in the description below. You can also read more about the Trend Flex indicator and the Trend Flex X2 version, which I'm using, including strategy ideas and configuration examples at the Forex Geek. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future educational videos.